How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So what is the best VPN for Final Fantasy XIV Online? Now, whether you're playing online with Final Fantasy, whether you're playing, I don't know, Warzone, Call of Duty, whatever online game, it's all about ping and latency. And now, many people, and including me, they do have problems, and I do have problems with, occasional problems, that is. I come across very bad ping quite often. And what I do to fix that is use a VPN. Now, I know you might hear that VPNs actually decrease your speed and increase your ping, and that's very bad. But a good VPN will make the speed increase quite negligible, and the ping will actually be better than your base ping. But there are two things that you want to keep in mind. Three, actually. The first thing is that you want to select a good VPN. So you can't use free VPNs with congested servers because everybody's using these servers, and you won't have the server variety, because server variety and location variety is very important when it comes to using a VPN for gaming. And that leads us to the second point, which is you have to choose the VPN server that is closest to your game server. So let's say you're playing Final Fantasy and your game server, of course, you don't want to connect cross-continent. You want to remain within the same continent in order to avoid lag spikes and, ping that's over 100. So let's say the gaming server, in this case, is in France. You want to connect to the VPN server that is closest to the gaming server, and that's how you're actually going to be able to close the gap in terms of distance and get ping that's even better than your base ping a lot of the times, because the shorter the distance, the better the ping. Latency is all about distance, because when you connect to a VPN server that's in the same state, country, or city, preferably, as the game server, you will be able to close that gap in terms of distance and get really good ping, and you'll be able to fix your ping issues if you have any ping issues, if you have any stuttering, lag spikes, maybe rubber banding, anything that is just disrupting your online sessions. A VPN can actually help a lot with that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Again, I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs, and I've narrowed it down to these three as the best overall. They all vary in budgets and features, so pick and choose depending on where you're looking for. I definitely recommend checking out the reviews down below so that you can get more of an idea about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. A VPN is not just for securing your data or playing it with games. There are many uses for VPNs, such as unblocking streaming services and bypassing geo restrictions. So check out the reviews below for more information. If you want to jump straight to links to pricing and discounts, you'll also find those down below. Either way, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee to stress test these VPNs for 30 days risk-free, and let me know if I helped you out in any way using this video right here. Be sure to comment down below. I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.